Welcome back to the VST channel. Today I'm going to show you a way to customize your phone beyond what you thought was possible. But let me show you and then we start. Alright? See here guys. I can now turn on and also turn off the lights just using, I'm using a dedicated case. So this here is the brand new PITAKA PinButton case for the S24 Ultra. It has crazy features such as these 3 customizable NFC buttons. I'm gonna show you all in the video. Make sure to watch the full video guys, and let's start. Here we are with the MagEZ Case Pro 4 for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, or as I called it, the PinButton case by PITAKA. And I know that you're thrilled, you want me directly to go and show you these nice features that I show you guys by accessing and turning on and off my lights. First things first, let's check the packaging, let's unbox it, and then I am going to fully review it. Indeed, one of the main key highlights are these 3 customizable pin buttons that you can find on the left side on the case. But that's not all guys. This case is made from premium materials. In fact, it uses premium aramide fiber, and you know I'm a fan of aramide fiber. And you know that aramide fiber is very tough, but this case uses an all-around protection with DPU, and also very important guys, inside the case there is Napa leather that keeps your case back very soft. It's not gonna scratch your phone. Alright, so premium materials for sure, and of course it does also support MagSafe. Well, now enough talking guys, let me open it, experience this product together with you. This is the packaging, very nice, very friendly. We have to pull it from here. It already feels very light in the hand. Get ready. To kick things off, make sure your phone is unlocked and NFC scanning is turned on. Then scan the area on your case shown below. Now enter the serial number of your phone case, and this will allow you to access also some of the online services. Back on the case, let me just remove the packaging. Alright, just focus entirely on the case guys. I'm gonna pop this thing off, which serves as a nice protector, and voila, this is the MagEZ Case Pro 4 for the S24 Ultra. Yeah, what can I tell you? It really feels very light in the hand. Now let's weigh the case. I'm curious to see how much it weighs. 41 grams, guys. 41 grams for a case like this with a protection like this, I think is very, very good. So, inside here, you can see very soft to the touch and very soft to the feel. There's this leather Napa guys to make sure that if something gets caught in here, your phone's back, it's gonna be fully protected, okay? Now, on the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power button, guys, and I'm very surprised to see that those are real metallic buttons, guys. So it's really metal. On the top, we have full protection, only a small cutout for the microphones. On the back, designed by PITAKA, quite nice. Again, full covered, only some cutouts for the S Pen, for the speaker, and for the charging port. And now guys, on the left, this is kind of the highlight, these 3 NFC customizable and programmable buttons, the so-called pin buttons, again from metal. This almost feels like a hardware upgrade to your phone, because remember guys, on the S24 Ultra we just have the standard setup here. It is a volume rocker with a power button, and on the left hand side we don't have anything. There were some times we had some Bixby buttons, stuff like this, but right now, thanks to this case, really credit goes to PITAKA for just coming up with this. It will never actually occur to me that you can just use NFC tags here and add hardware buttons to your phone, and I'm gonna be testing those ones. And on the back, we have the camera cutouts with a nice lid to protect your camera. Inside again, we have the MagSafe, and we know this works. How? Well, you can just see it really holds it up like this. Okay, so MagSafe compatible. You can check MagSafe accessories on the PITAKA site. And inside guys, again, it is very nice to the touch. And now without any further ado guys, I'm gonna put the phone in the case and start my testing. But first I wanna check how it feels in the hand and also speak about the protection. There is this lid here, you can check it, all right, around the whole phone. It will make sure that you have this all-around protection. So even if the case falls on the ground, right, then apparently this can save you. Also, this means that you can pre-install some screen protectors, right, because this is screen protector friendly. On the back we have aramide fiber with top quality, but to make things even better, PITAKA included TPU to soften the case and make it more flexible. Of course, this enhances the protection. So overall, I would say it feels quite nice, quite sturdy in the hand. It is not so big. Now, one of the best highlights of this case, these 3 metallic programmable NFC tags or NFC buttons. All right, let me show you how this works. Yeah, because this is Samsung, you know we have the modes and routines. So just open your settings, click on modes and routines, guys. Those are the ones that I showed you before. So if I press this button, I'm gonna turn my lights on. And if I press this button, I'm gonna turn my lights on. And now it's time to show you what else you can do with this. So let's just start adding a new one. You need to add a trigger to the routine. So the trigger to the routine is going to be NFC tagged. Okay, so clicking NFC tagged. Now I want to program that button, which means I have to hold it against the phone, all right? And now let's just put YouTube start. When I click this button, guys, I want to start YouTube, right? Which means then I will start an application. So open an app or do an action. I'm going to click here. I'm going to put YouTube. You can just see how quickly this works. And there, by the way, plenty of other options. I can directly go to subscriptions, let's say. So I'm going to press save. All right, and I'm going to also name this YouTube Start. I'm going to press done. Okay, now what is going to happen, guys? If I press this button against my phone, boom, the YouTube will start. Imagine the potential, guys. One more time, boom, and I'm going to be starting the app that I want. But there are plenty of other things that you can do. Why? Well, because Samsung routines are so powerful, they will allow you to do whatever you want. You can also add a condition, right? Before bed, sleeping, driving, so you can even make it more complex, but let's keep it simple for the sake of the presentation. What do I want to do when I press the middle button, guys? Let me show you. I can open an app or even add an app action. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to go inside. Okay, I'm going to search for camera. Okay, see here, guys. I can select the middle button to open the camera, but I can also select the middle button to directly take a selfie, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to press down, I'm going to save it. But now let's make it more complicated. I'm going to open my camera, go to video, all right, exit the camera. And now, guys, I'm going to press the middle button and see if everything works correctly. I should get a selfie mode. Okay, boom, here it is. Really works as a charm. All right, let me just do a selfie and let me show you some more nice things that you can do with these three buttons. Now I'm going to program this button. Okay, it's button 3. This time I'm going to surprise you. I'm going to click, then I'm going to search for volume. All right, I'm going to click media volume, guys, and I'm going to choose the phone speaker to only be, let's say, 80%. Now I'm going to press save. Now let me show you, guys. Imagine you're listening to something and it's very loud, so you don't really have the time to just put it off. What you can do, click this button, voila, magic. Immediately, volume is set to 18%. So the level of control and the power that you're getting with these three buttons is really unprecedented, because you can create your own macros using the modes and routines. The only thing that actually stops and limits you is only your imagination. So not only are you getting a very nice looking stylish case, you're also getting the top protection using aramide fiber, Napa leather and TPU. But what I think is most important is that you're somehow hardware upgrading your phone by just adding 3 hardware buttons. And I do believe this is a truly innovating spirit. Uses existing technology, combines them into a useful product, right, that you can just put on your phone, use it, and get the added value out of it. If you want to check the PinButton case, make sure to check the video description. All links are going to be inside. Once more, thanks to PITAKA for sending the case to me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like content like this, don't forget, sub for the channel, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.